Even as provinces across Canada report single-day records of new COVID-19 cases, tens of thousands of protesters marched in Montreal on Saturday against restrictions imposed by the government to stem a third wave of the virus in Canada. Protesters did not wear masks and ignored social distancing rules and called the restrictions imposed by the Quebec government unjustified. The government has made it compulsory to wear masks outdoors. A curfew remains in place since January. Restrictions not seen in Canada since the Spanish flu outbreak a century ago.
Au Québec, il y a des suicides en quantité industrielle, il y a des faillites, des commerces qui vont mal, des gens qui ont mal. Les dommages collatéraux sont beaucoup plus gros que les dommages que crée la COVID, sans parler de la dette nationale ici au Canada qui a doublé.
Moi, j'habite Québec et la ville de Québec, et on a encore des couvre-feux à 8 heures le soir. On est encore, il n'y a presque pas de morts, puis ils nous gardent encore en cage à la maison. C'est des mesures de guerre et ça n'a pas lieu.
Prime Minister Justin Trudeau called the protest deeply disappointing. Montreal's Olympic Stadium, where the protest was held, is also one of the country's biggest vaccination sites and had to be shut down due to the demonstration. Meanwhile, as the province of Ontario sees a new surge in cases, healthcare workers are in an intensive care unit in Toronto struggling to cope. Overall admissions in ICU has climbed to 900 for the very first time in the region. Over 2,000 people in the province remain in hospital because of the disease, and a figure that has consistently been increasing since the start of the third wave of the pandemic.
It's been over a year, so the team is tired. And this particular wave, wave 3, is probably our most hardest wave yet. In terms of managing the influx of COVID patients, how sick they are, how young they are.
Taking into consideration the rising cases, Canada is also all set to suspend entry of international students, including from India to Ontario. Canada has recorded more than 1.2 million cases of coronavirus and 24,200 deaths, more than half of them in Ontario and Quebec. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.